What's up guys, Trey here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're checking out this Mishimoto Racing Thermostat 180 degrees designed to fit the 2008 to 2023 V8 Hemi Challenger, but not including the 6.2 liter Hemi engines. This is perfect for Challenger owners who are looking to enhance their cooling system's efficiency, especially for high performance driving and extreme conditions. This Mishimoto Performance Racing Thermostat is engineered to regulate your engine's temperature with greater precision, overall improving the cooling system performance. It features a 180 degree opening temperature, which is lower than the factory thermostat, ensuring earlier activation of the coolant flow. This helps maintain optimal engine temperatures during aggressive driving or in hot climates, reducing the risk of overheating. This thermostat is especially beneficial for modified engines or vehicles that frequently see track use, as it aids in the consistent performance and protects those critical components. That reduced temperature extends the engine life and delivers long-lasting high performance, perfect for a daily driver or modified and upgraded turbo engines. The design includes high-quality brass and stainless steel for durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring reliable operation for the long haul. Mishimoto has built this thermostat with robust construction to withstand the rigors of high-performance applications. The use of brass and stainless steel materials ensures resistance to heat, corrosion, and wear, providing long-lasting functionality. It is also designed as a direct fit replacement for your Challenger stock thermostat, making it compatible with the factory housing and cooling system. Now, as far as pricing goes on this thermostat is coming in right around the $80 price range, making it a budget-friendly upgrade for improving your Challenger's cooling efficiency and performance. Now, the install on this thermostat is a straightforward process, designed to fit directly in place of your stock thermostat. So on our difficulty meter, this is a 2 out of 3 wrench job, and you should plan for about 1 hour to get the job done. Now, let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our AmericanMuscle.com customers.
First thing you're going to want to do is put a towel underneath the thermostat housing so it don't get coolant everywhere. After that, you're going to take a 13mm wrench or ratchet, either will work. Remove the two 13mm bolts, one here, one right on the other side. Now that you got both bolts out, go ahead and pull up your radiator hose, put it off to the side, pull out your old thermostat, go ahead and put your new one in, and then you're going to reinstall the radiator hose back, put your two 13mm back in, These don't have to be extremely tight, just hand tight is good. And that's it, that's all it takes. One more thing to note, you guys, is you want to put some more coolant in since you did lose some. If there's perfect, you want to get it between these two lines here. After that, put your cap back on, and you're good to go.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install the Mishimoto Racing Thermostat 180 degree for the 2008 to 2023 V8 Hemi Challengers, but not including that 6.2 liter Hemi engine. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.